It's cool, isn't it? Hey!
You ready to go? Let's get ready to run. Great. Alright, Nina, alright. We have to go. Should I bring the sticky toffee pudding?
I didn't know we were rumbling now.
Yeah, we're going now.
I didn't know.
So you want to put all this stuff in takeaway cart. Let's get going.
Yeah.
That's enough hot chocolate for like a whole try.
Actually, no, it's enough for 2 people. I'm always meant to make hot chocolate just for one, for me, but I always end up making too much.
Well,
Because my recipe's just so good.
It's getting all cut out.
I love. Actually, yeah, if you do it like that.
Yeah. Okay, that's
Listen, can I have some more? Stop it.
Wow.
Oh, sorry, Zena. Sorry. What do you mean, wow? With my hot chocolate, not.
No, there's just a lot of it, that's all. Might need more than 2 cups.
Oh, I can pour it. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Wait.
If anything, there's only left, we can save it for later anyway.
Yeah. Pour me a little bit in this cup. I didn't get to test it.
Can't use the cup.
That's in the sink.
Oh, alright then. Come on then.
Just a bit. That's it. The consistency. Consistency. Yeah, looks good. You'd love this if you could have it.
I know. Things I have to not have fits in it. When I texted Dad to say we were going out, I was thinking we could go to town and get some post of chocolate and go to these places.
Whose bloody car are we taking then? Yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I sit at the back?
Yeah.
Yep. Wait.
Right, hot chocolate's ready. We're going now, you need to get ready. Don't pour any more of that out, Shasha. Got to get ready to go. You choc addict.
That's my alcohol.
Mm-hmm.
Just